In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly change your city in the Glovo app in 2025, so you can browse restaurants, stores, and services wherever you are. This works on both iPhone and Android and is completely free. Start by opening the Glovo app on your phone. Once it's loaded, look at the top of the home screen. You'll see your current city displayed. Tap on the city name, and the app will take you to the location selection page. Here, you can either scroll through the list of available cities or use the search bar to type in the city you want to switch to. As you type, the app will filter the options, making it easy to find the city you need. Tap on your desired city, and the app will immediately update your location. After changing the city, you'll notice that the home screen now shows restaurants, stores, and services available in that new location. Delivery options, estimated times, and prices will also refresh according to the selected city. If you don't see the updated options, try closing and reopening the app, or make sure your Glovo app is updated to the latest version. Changing the city doesn't affect your account details or previous orders, it simply updates what the app shows in that location. And that's it. You now know how to switch cities in Glovo effortlessly. This tip is perfect if you're traveling, moving, or simply exploring what Glovo has to offer in different areas. Thank you for watching this video.